Hey, what's up guys, back here with another video, and today I am going to be reviewing this Jabra Evolve 75. So, let's get started. So, let's start off from the case itself. So right here, it's actually a really nice, hard, protective shell. So, this is where you store your headphones in. So when we open the box, there's a nice good zipper. And right here to your right is the headphones. So we will leave this aside. So right here you might be wondering what this is. This is a USB connector for your computer if you want to use this. You also have a manual right there, and a special is a red USB, actually micro USB to USB cable, which is actually pretty cool, and it comes in red. But before we move on to actually reviewing this, let me tell you about some of the features. So a few of the features are an external mic and magnets to clamp on just in case you want to quick mute yourself. You also have active noise cancelling and transparency mode by holding this button on the left. We also have Bluetooth and a USB receiver, which is actually pretty critical because you can actually connect this to up to 2 devices, including your computer and another device that you want to use Bluetooth with. There are a few buttons that I would like you to know about. On the right ear cup, there's a mute button. On the back side, there is a volume down and volume up, and you can pause and unpause the music by holding the middle button for 3 seconds, which is actually pretty convenient. On the left ear cup, you can just hold the middle button for transparency mode, or you can double click to keep it on and your music will stop playing. At the bottom, there is active noise cancelling. You can turn it on by pressing that, and it's on, which is actually supposedly pretty good. So now we want to pair this to our device. So the first thing that we want to do is go to settings. So once we go to settings, we want to turn on Bluetooth. Once we turn on Bluetooth, we want to go to the headsets, and on the right ear cup, there should be a on and off button. So we want to turn this on, which will be the middle, and you want to turn this to Bluetooth pairing mode. So you just want to hold it at the Bluetooth pairing mode for 3 seconds. So as you heard, it is on. Now it's right there on my phone, and so let's connect with that. So now it's connected to my headphones and it's ready to use. So let's review it. So at first, let me tell you about the cushions on here. It's actually very comfortable. I was wearing these for 3 hours straight and these were not hurting at all. These are super comfortable. They're super soft and made out of leather. So it's actually really soft, and it will not discomfort you after a long period of listening time. So the sound quality out of these headphones are absolutely phenomenal. These have really good bass and really good highs. Not a lot of mids, more like beats by Dre, but these are pretty good. The noise cancelling on these headphones are actually really good, and they're not as powerful as over-ear headphones are, but since these are on-ear, these are doing its best. So these noise cancelling headphones can cancel out maybe like a continuous noise around the room. Let me give you an example. Maybe like a computer or air conditioner, not really sure, but I know this can cancel out a computer's noise because mine does have a pretty loud noise, and this can cancel it out pretty easily. So there are a lot of things good about these headphones, but it doesn't save it from dumb micro USB. Why? Come on. So yeah guys, these headphones are really good, and I'll be linking them right in the description section right below the like button if you want to go check them out and buy it for yourself. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you like this video, like it. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button right below the like button to get updates on more videos coming soon. And follow me on my Twitter account that's going to be linked somewhere below the like button to get updates on more videos coming soon and keep up with me. Anyways guys, that's going to be it. Peace.